is a Greer grammar vlog exclusive.
Okay, you guys, hi, good morning. It is Vlogmas day 17, officially, when I'm posting this. And I just wanted to, before I actually post Vlogmas day 16 and 17, I just wanted to come on and do, a quick little update, because obviously I missed Vlogmas day. When was the last day I did? 9 and 10? So obviously I've missed 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's crazy. I was editing. I had 11 and 12 ready to go. And then I was going to just do 13, 14, 15, all together. And I was editing them yesterday. And then my hard drive went crazy. I don't even really know. And even Alicia tried to help me and she was like, I don't know what's going on. This has never happened to me. And I'm like, what do you mean? I've been vlogging for 15, 16 days, you've been vlogging for 15, 16 years. So basically I had to get a new hard drive and then we had to transfer everything. And then what I was working on and what I had edited all those days that I had edited did not come through. And when I was trying to edit all of them together, I was just it's just too much for me to try to even go through and recap and make them smaller. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get back on track. I'm gonna post 16 and 17, which were, obviously last night, the day before. And that is me being home, because also update home from the movie. Can't wait to tell you all more about that and actually show you recaps. I have so much footage, but I can't use all of it because I was actually told I can't post a lot on social media. So I'm going to post what I can. But I think what I'm going to do is post 16 and 17 right now. So that will be what follows after this message. And then I don't have much to do today. So I think for Vlogmas day 18, I'm actually just gonna try to go through all the footage of the last 5 days and edit and then do a special recap for Vlogmas day 18. It'd be Vlogmas day 18, actually. It's the 5 days I missed. That seems like my idea. If you don't like that, please comment and tell me what you would rather me do, because I didn't need to take such a long break. It really was just, I was on set and I was filming and I was okay, cool, I'll do them in increments, and it just, footage in the hard drive thing really threw me for a loop. So I'm gonna catch up. I'm gonna post last night and the night before's today, and then I will do a special recap from my time away shooting. So I feel I don't know, it feels weird to do an intro to your own and Anyway, without further ado, Vlogmas day 16 and 17. She's finally here. We finally made it back. Very excited. Yeah. Okay, bye. Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at them. There's so many wings.
I didn't even introduce, because I got her late last night. So I didn't even introduce my vlog. And I was how am I going to tell my vlog that there's just randomly another one?
Oh my God.
So there's 2 altogether. This is a Greer grammar vlog exclusive. There's 2. I was only watching one, and my friend was watching the other one. So that's why there's 2 here, and they're getting picked up this morning.
Came home to so many wings.
Go give me one neck.
Came home to so many wings. So I just got a notification that my Abercrombie package is here. I ordered one more thing. They were sold out before. And then they were back in stock. And I saw it and was I have to get it. Obsessed.
So cute. So cute! Even though I can only wear it for 10 more days, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Oh, and it's so cozy. It's so cute. This is such a bad place to decide to film in. I like it. Oh my gosh. Great, amazing, fantastic. There we go. I yelled at Greer not to watch my vlog that went up yesterday, and I knew she wouldn't, but I more so was scared one of y'all were gonna, all it takes is one person, to be I'm gonna ruin this for everyone. We all know those people in real life, they suck. And
Suck.
maybe, no, I judge
I should have known that you guys would never do that because you are the real MVPs and you are my ride or dies, and I love you so much. So
It also helps I haven't posted a video in a long time.
it also helps that she hasn't really been like looking for, you know, anything. But okay, I wanted to give you your Christmas present early.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
You don't need to be scared. I feel like it'll make sense. Open this one first.
This one?
Yeah. No, not that one. This one.
I was like,
From Rosie. That's from Rosie. Look at her. Come here, Mama.
She's like anticipating. She's like, no, I'm gonna look right over here as you open it.
No, literally.
Okay, frame me down. I was trying to be like delicate, but it doesn't work. Look at the wrapping.
I know.
Like I've seen it, but like
It's different. We have a computer charger!
oh my gosh, it's only because you want yours back.
No!
No, it's so true. No, I needed this.
I will say someone commented, they're like, wait, I'm using a phone charger to charge my computer. And I was like, no, but I was like, well, why? Which, like, I guess not everyone would, like, know that. Or maybe the heirs don't need, I don't know. But that's a good one.
I've never thought to need, like, a big guy.
Like, that's crazy to me.
No, because it, like, works fine.
I
Like,
know,
a phone charger
but
works fine.
I-
But, like...
I don't think it would work on mine. But that makes sense because it's the Pro. I don't know.
Because it's the Pro. I mean, a phone charger would work on yours. It just wouldn't, it would not charge as much or as fast. Like, you could charge in a pinch.
Okay. I mean,
you
I never
could
knew
use
that.
Yeah, you could.
Mm-hmm.
But, yeah, no, this is definitely, it's been a lifesaver. It's been so helpful. So thank you.
You're so welcome. There's one from Rosie.
Oh my gosh, of course.
She picked it out.
She did.
She did.
Come here. Yeah.
She's getting the gift you gave her.
Oh, you're my gift, though.
You're the most perfect.
Rosie is so excited. Yeah, we're gonna open it together. Yeah, you got it for me.
So it can be pink.
Yay! Oh my gosh, and then I'll know it's mine.
And then you'll know it's yours forever and no one can steal it. So you'll be like, that's mine.
That's mine.
Okay, last one.
Oh, there's another one?
Yes. Last.
Okay. That was it. Yay! I love presents.
I know. And you'll get why.
Okay, I'm excited. What you doing? Come here. You got me my own. You're like, I want my doggy bitch. You guys.
Sorry, Gilly.
Sorry, Gilly. I mean,
He still will be here.
yeah. Well, we can't say that this one won't have.
You know, and Gilly might come back to haunt you.
Like,
Don't drop it. That's what I did with mine. That's how he appeared. He haunted it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so don't drop it.
The ghost of Gilly.
I love how he's like a character.
No, literally. And people were really starting to like him. But
I know.
We have to write him off this season.
We do.
He was Oliver
He
in
was
the OC.
villain. Yeah.
We should have for a brief moment, and it's just not been good since. And so now we get to write a new character.
Mm-hmm. Merry Christmas! I didn't want to wait till I literally was too excited. I didn't want to wait till Christmas because obviously it's after Vlogmas. That sucks.
That sucks.
That sucks.
That sucks.
And we're all so proud of you, and you're killing it. And guys, she's monetized now. Your first check will be
really
10 cents, but that's okay.
That's okay. That's what I get in residuals.
Literally.
I'm used to that. That's normal to me.
You're so welcome. Me just finding ways to make her not quit.
I know. No, I'm not gonna quit. I'm actually having a lot of fun with it.
No, you're killing it.
Well, I wouldn't say that, but
You are.
because everyone's been so nice. This is amazing. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I'll stop vlogging, but.
Tablespoon?
I was just gonna eye.
No.
There's no eyeing.
Not in
baking.
science. This is fun.
Yeah, again, got crazy at Target.
Is chocolate chips and gingerbread good?
I've had M&M's and gingerbread.
I wanted to kind of go crazy in a couple.
I don't know if I've had
Chocolate
actual
chips are
chocolate chips, but
Yeah, chocolate chips are good.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I know chocolate's good with it.
It is?
I don't think I've ever made gingerbread. I've
Cookies? Really?
I don't think so.
What?
Yeah.
You've never made gingerbread cookies?
No. Sugar cookies, yes.
And did you at
Chocolate
least like cut those out and decorate and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Oh, we don't have any like.
I know. Do we have any cutters?
No, but we can wing it, guys.
Did I not bring any? Did I not buy any? Oh wow, that's so devastating.
No, we can make little circles.
Like they're freshly washed, I promise. I can't believe you guys have never made gingerbread. I'm like so shook by that.
I know. I don't know why. I think for a long time I never thought I liked gingerbread cookies, and
I feel like because we only had like the very generic, you know. I love
probably
ginger
because I
crisp.
never made gingerbread cookies.
Right.
I just growing up never went for them. So I'm assuming that's why. I don't know.
That makes sense. I just feel like I don't really make them that much at home because my mom liked the sugar cookies, but my neighbor made them a lot.
Yeah.
And they just feel so...
Christmas.
I love a good theme.
Yeah.
And these
sure
feel
do.
very... Like you can have sugar cookies any time of the year.
True.
But gingerbread is really only during Christmas.
Very
and for
true.
that, I think it's important. But this isn't feeling very like doughy. We need to let it like sit. It's very, you know, like that wouldn't,
Sticky?
yeah.
No.
Maple butter looking good.
No, we can't add more butter. I don't hate that idea. Of more butter? You guys didn't make it so soft.
Or is that how it's supposed to? Yeah, it's supposed to be like that.
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't know.
I don't know. They're kind of. I don't know.
Yeah, Ashley, you bake. You bake. I mean, so do I, but like, I'm just gonna say it's not my fault.
I think it just needs to go in the fridge.
Okay.
I just do the 2 feet, or should I try for 4?
That's actually so good.
Oh my god, stop. I don't like the tail, but I can fix it.
I'm sure I already said this, but we don't have cookie cutters.
Yes.
So we are making at first we were just doing circles.
Yeah, and then we got creative because we got 3 creatives in the house. So
I haven't
we figured it
Done
out.
any. Anyway,
Look at my.
we're making them from scratch and they look great. You gotta show, oh my god.
Look. Oh no! No!
Oh no. I'll fix it.
Lean down. Look at you.
We're just gonna.
She's already put it back together. It's amazing.
We're just gonna. You know, I have so many talents.
That's talent. That's incredible.
This is why I need hobbies, you know?
That last pile is for you, Greer.
Yes. Sorry, let me move my
No, it's
station.
fine. No, you're fine. You're doing great.
Here, I'll move this one.
I'm just worried about the weans.
Let me move her.
I want her to be
Oh, no.
okay. We gotta do surgery on her legs.
Where'd it go?
I don't, oh, is it there?
The ween looks a little worse, but that's okay.
No, it's looking good.
These are
Greer's
giving
killing
like
it.
ginger snaps.
Mini.
Obviously.
And then this one we were like free range, let's just make something. I made a Christmas tree, the bow fell to
What's funny is
Ashley's
this
my
isn't the
first
first time. This isn't the first time.
right in front of it.
No, I literally didn't see it.
Sure. In other news.
Okay.
Look at my tree.
Little
It's
bow.
supposed to be a tree.
It is.
What's an ornament?
It looks like a fish. It literally looks like it looks like a feather.
Wait, that's cute.
A dead fish. That has a red eye.
It's
That's
bleeding. It's literally
It's a
Red-
Christmas
oh,
fish.
wait.
She's really just like making you pick the dark side.
Dark side.
Ashley's like, what happened to my friend?
Yeah.
You know the Stranger Things quote from season 4? Tricked you. I saved you.
Right, yes.
That's me.
No.
Yeah, Henry's like, or Ellen's like, you tricked me. And then he's like,
No, I know the
Tricked you.
quote.
No, she's
No,
just
I
saying
saved you.
she's saying she doesn't agree with you about saving me.
what?
No, lies.
Say-
My ween.
I hear you. Okay, Google, stop. Oh my god.
Okay, Google, stop.
It's crazy to move this camera around and not have it go.
I got
Oh,
Gilly.
yeah.
You missed
Gilly.
it.
I'll miss him forever.
First made the noise.
I gave her my old one and it was broken. So it
Ashley
actually
clearly
was
hasn't been watching the vlogs, you guys.
No.
It would go.
She'd know.
Oh! Wait, I
did you fall in love with Snoopy?
That's a really good question.
He's really having a moment right now.
No, I know, it's huge. It's definitely one of those things that like your parents have to love.
Mm-hmm.
It's also reminiscent of an era where like now we can watch whatever we want all the time, but like Peanuts specifically came on once. Like unless you owned a VHS or a DVD, like Strawberry Christmas played once throughout the holiday season on ABC or whichever network it was airing on. And you like sat around for that because if you missed it, you missed it. And my mom grew up watching them, so then I grew up watching them, and so it reminded me of stuff we would like watch together, and then it just became very nostalgic and cute. Honestly, I really...
You said you could draw on that.
This is mine.
No, it's not.
It was yours? Oh no.
That's such a little sister thing to do. Oh my god.
I didn't know.
Wow.
But if I knew, I probably would have
Yeah,
still
you
done
knew.
it. No, I didn't.
You know it wasn't yours.
You know.
I thought I did that one. Good thing I did it good.
Anyway, I've always loved Peanuts and Snoopy, and I've always like watched them every year. But I think in 2020, I was really craving like fall, but I like don't like scary movies.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I have this like really big like craving or sense that I really want to watch Great Pumpkin. And this was like in August, obviously, because the seasons jumped through. Like,
I remember going to your house for a wine night and it was like fall, and I'm pretty sure it was still summer.
yeah, by August I was fully set up. Okay, are we reading? Because now I feel like I want more. I say not enough. It's not enough.
My tree. My heart.
This was supposed to be an ornament.
I mean, look.
She's perfect. Do you want to show the pretzel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretzel.
Wait, can you please show them the fish?
There
That's
it
really
is.
good.
I did show the fish, but I'll show better.
My vlog?
This is
It was supposed to be a tree. With
that
one
looks
ornament.
more like
Now
a
that looks
fish.
like a fish.
That literally looks like a character in Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
so cute.
I like mine more Joey, so I'm gonna go in for my big thick girl.
Okay.
That is a big
Set,
thick girl.
Go.
You know what?
Hell yeah.
This tastes like coffee cake.
It's gingerbread.
I disagree, but
The top part.
this is great.
It just needs more sugar, but like the crispy part.
This tastes like Christmas to me. It makes me really happy.
That's really good.
No, you guys, gingerbread slaps. Ash, thanks for making her do this.
Those actually tasted really good.
Mm-hmm.
I know.